Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smartphones and specifically shining the spotlight on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. With 2024 upon us, many of you might be wondering whether this device, released back in 2018, is still worth considering. Let's unpack this, shall we? The legacy of the Galaxy S9 Plus. First, let's tour the remarkable features that made the Galaxy S9 Plus a standout device back in its release year. Display. The S9 Plus features a stunning 6.2-inch Super AMOLED display with vibrant colors and deep blacks. It was praised for its immersive viewing experience, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply scrolling through social media. Even in 2024, this display technology holds its own against many modern devices. Camera. The camera system is another highlight. The S9 Plus incorporates a dual camera setup with a 12MP wide-angle and a 12MP telephoto lens, enabling you to capture stunning photos with great detail. The variable aperture feature allows for exceptional low-light photography, a technology that was ahead of its time. If you're keen on photography, the S9 Plus can still deliver beautiful shots. Performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor in the US and Samsung's Exynos 9810 elsewhere, the S9 Plus was a powerhouse. While newer models have since integrated more advanced processors, the performance of the S9 Plus is still commendable for everyday tasks, including browsing, social media, and even some casual gaming. The comparisons, S9 Plus versus newer models. As we move ahead to 2024, it's crucial to highlight how the S9 Plus stacks up against its successors, namely the S1 OS20, S21, and even the recently launched S22 series. 5G connectivity. One notable omission is 5G support. In a rapidly evolving tech landscape where 5G is becoming the new standard, the S9 Plus relies solely on 4G LTE. If you're in an area with excellent 4G coverage or don't require blazing fast download speeds, this may not be a deal breaker. However, for those seeking longevity and future-proofing, it's a significant factor. Water resistance. The newer Galaxy models boast improved IP ratings for water and dust resistance. The S9 Plus has an IP68 rating, which is respectable but not as robust as what we've seen in the later iterations. If you lead an active lifestyle or frequently find yourself near water, this is something to consider. Battery life. While the 3500 mAh battery of the S9 Plus was decent for its time, you might find yourself reaching for a charger more often compared to newer models that are optimized to manage power more efficiently. This could be a concern for power users who rely heavily on their devices throughout the day. Software updates. Samsung has enhanced its software support over the years. As of now, the S9 Plus is expected to receive software updates for another year or so. If software longevity is essential for you, consider whether this is adequate when new models will soon be getting support well into the next few years. The bottom line, who should buy the S9 Plus in 2024? So, who is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus still suitable for in 2024? Here are a few scenarios. Budget-conscious buyers. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality smartphone without breaking the bank, the S9 Plus may be available at attractive prices in the pre-owned or refurbished category. Casual users. For those who primarily use their phones for social media, texting, calling, and occasional photography, the S9 Plus offers all that functionality without the need for the latest specifications. Compact phone lovers. If you prefer a phone that's not oversized and fits comfortably in your hand or pocket, the S9 Plus offers a compact form factor that's hard to beat compared to the larger recent models. Photography enthusiasts. If photography is your passion but you don't need the absolute latest gear, the S9 Plus can still capture stunning images, especially in low-light conditions. Its camera still stands out for its flexibility and performance. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is still a commendable option in 2024 for specific user needs. It combines a beautiful display, capable camera, and solid performance. However, understanding its limitations, such as the lack of 5G and slightly inferior battery life compared to newer models, is essential before making a decision. As always, It ultimately comes down to what you value most in a smartphone. If you're looking for a device that meets your basic needs without the frills of the latest tech, definitely consider the S9 Plus. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this discussion helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech analysis. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Are you considering the S9 Plus or leaning towards a newer model? Until next time, happy tech hunting and see you in the next video.